Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you add AppleCare to iPhone. In order to add AppleCare Plus coverage to your iPhone, you could purchase it within 60 days of your device's purchase. You could do this through the Apple website or an app store as well. Now for here, what you have to do is, first of all, you want to open up the settings and go to General. As you go to General, then you'll be able to see this sort of filter, right? So you want to click that out, and once you've actually done it, so you simply want to bring your iPhone and proof of your purchase from. Then you simply want to go ahead and click on Add AppleCare Plus coverage. Once you do it, so you'll then be able to add. And if you want to do it online, then you have to visit Apple website and verify your serial number and run a remote diagnostic as well. Then bring your phone and proof of purchase for inspections, and that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.